Welcome back to channel Auto Drive Hub enthusiasts. Get ready for an exciting look at the 2025 Suzuki lineup and its standout features. Suzuki has always been known for producing reliable, efficient, and stylish vehicles, and this year is no different. With advancements in technology, performance, and safety, the 2025 Suzuki models are set to impress. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the latest Suzuki cars, exploring their specifications, design, performance, and the innovative features that set them apart. Whether you are looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver, a spacious family car, or a sporty ride, Suzuki has something for everyone. Suzuki has always prioritized affordability without compromising on quality, and the 2025 lineup continues this tradition. One of the key highlights this year is the introduction of hybrid and electric models, aligning with the global shift towards greener mobility. With enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, Suzuki's eco-friendly cars offer a great balance of performance and sustainability. Additionally, Suzuki has improved its safety features with advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring a secure driving experience. Let's start with the exterior design of Suzuki's 2025 models. The brand has taken a bold approach, refining its signature styling while adding modern touches. Sleek lines, aerodynamic shapes, and striking LED lighting give these cars a more premium feel. The refreshed grille designs and newly styled alloy wheels further enhance their road presence. Suzuki's commitment to aesthetics is evident, making their cars not just functional but also visually appealing. Moving inside, Suzuki has stepped up its game in interior comfort and technology. The cabin now features high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and an improved infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, smartphone integration, and voice commands. Drivers and passengers can enjoy a more intuitive and connected experience, whether they are on a short commute or a long road trip. Some models also offer digital instrument clusters and ambient lighting, adding to the modern appeal. Performance has always been a strong point for Suzuki, and the 2025 models continue to deliver. The brand has introduced updated engine options, including turbocharged variants for better power and efficiency. The hybrid models offer a seamless combination of petrol and electric power, ensuring a smooth and fuel-efficient ride. Suzuki's lightweight platform contributes to better handling and agility, making these cars enjoyable to drive in various conditions. Another major highlight is Suzuki's focus on safety. The latest models come equipped with cutting-edge safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies not only enhance driver confidence but also reduce the risk of accidents. Suzuki has also reinforced the structural integrity of its cars, providing better crash protection and occupant safety. Connectivity and convenience have been taken to the next level with Suzuki's smart technology features. Many models now come with wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system. Suzuki's advanced driver interface makes it easier to control various functions, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. Some models even offer remote access via a smartphone app, allowing owners to check vehicle status, lock or unlock doors, and even start the engine remotely. For those who love adventure, Suzuki's SUV lineup continues to impress with rugged capabilities and all-terrain performance. With improved ground clearance, all-wheel drive options, and advanced traction control systems, these SUVs are ready to tackle any road or off-road challenge. Whether you're heading for a weekend getaway or navigating city streets, Suzuki's SUVs provide comfort and versatility. The fuel efficiency of Suzuki cars remains one of their strongest selling points. With rising fuel prices, having a car that delivers excellent mileage without compromising on performance is a huge advantage. Suzuki has optimized its engines and introduced hybrid technology to ensure maximum efficiency, making these cars an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Suzuki's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the 2025 models. The brand is actively working towards reducing its carbon footprint by incorporating more eco-friendly materials and adopting cleaner manufacturing processes. With hybrid and electric options, Suzuki is catering to environmentally conscious consumers who want to reduce their emissions without sacrificing performance or style. For those looking at affordability, Suzuki remains one of the best options in the market. The 2025 lineup offers various models at competitive price points, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a first-time car owner or someone looking for an upgrade, Suzuki's offerings provide excellent value for money. To sum up, the 2025 Suzuki lineup is a perfect blend of style, performance, technology, and affordability. With enhanced features, better efficiency, and advanced safety, Suzuki continues to be a reliable choice for car buyers. If you're considering a new car, Suzuki's latest models are definitely worth a closer look. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive updates, reviews, and the latest news from the car industry. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. This is Auto Drive Hub, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels.